Suppose I want to do research on entrepreneurial personalities. As you can see, topic include two variables. One is entrepreneur and other is personality. First, I need to know what other researchers say about it. By looking other researchers' work, I will be able to refine and connect my ideas and eventually find the gap or problem in existing literature. Gap can be a critique on existing literature or unexplored or partially explored area, whereas problem is about solving discrepancies or issues at hand. I'm going to divide my write-up of literature review into three parts. First is definition and background. Second, what other studies say about the relationship of these variables, which eventually helps me to connect my ideas. Third is to find gap in existing literature, if any. Let's write a literature review. We will start with definitions of variables and their background. The dictionary meaning of entrepreneur is to undertake something. Then I came across an article. After reading it, I came to know that entrepreneur origins from the work of Cantillon. So let me write the findings in my own words. I need to give reference of this article, so I am going to cite it with Endnote. I hope you already have learned how to cite with Endnote in our other demo. So I am going to cite this article. First, go to Endnote menu, click Insert Citation, find citation, and you can search with the name of the author or the name of the article. We will search with the name of article. Here is the article. And in this way, we will cite through Endnote. Now I am going to narrow down its definition according to the business domain. So let's read it. Whereas Schumpeter was the first person who identified entrepreneurs as an entity worth of study and distinguished it from business owners and managers, and he defined entrepreneur as a person who carries out new combinations of means of production. As you can see, first I have given the definition, then I have given the origin of the term. Later on, I connect it with the domain of business. In the same manner, let's write it about the second variable, personality. As you can see, first I have given definition and perspectives of different authors, and then I have discussed about the different models of personality. Now I am going to link personality characteristics with entrepreneurship. Let's see how I have developed the link. As you can see, I have linked personality with entrepreneurial intentions, new business survival, and role motivation theories. Now I am going to find the gap, if any, in the literature. Let's see how I do it. As you can read the paragraph, different researchers have studied personality and entrepreneurship with different variables, but none of them has discussed the impact of region and caste on the personalities and entrepreneurship. And that may become the gap in literature or the research problem. Since we are doing the citation with Endnote, so Endnote has already inserted all the references in it. Always give literature review with proper referencing. I hope you have learned how to do a literature review. This literature review is very short as this is a sample. Your original literature review will be on multiple pages as you have to go through lot of articles. Thank you.